to use. Forces by now staying in Phnom Penh. Forces by headquarters now in Phnom Penh. Cooperating with the CPP for cooperate government and National Assembly.
But that seemed to be, sir, the reuse of force. Do you regret the use of force? That's what they seem to be complaining about. Do you regret the use of force?
អត់មានស្ដាយអីទាំងអស់រឿងដែលគេប្រើមកណា
I afraid not. They use, not us.
មិនបានឯងនៅតែនិយាយអាបញ្ហាហ្នឹង
Why you continue to say like that?
បញ្ហាគេនៅណាប្រើកម្លាំងខ្ញុំប្រើកម្លាំងឯណា
I didn't use the force. I don't use the force.
ខ្ញុំប្រើកម្លាំងតែមិនទុកឥឡូវលោកឯងឲ្យខ្ញុំដកថយឬឲ្យខ្ញុំទុក
I use the force to prevent them.
ឥឡូវលោកឯងទៅលងវិញខ្លួនឯងទៅយកក្បាលទៅហងកប់ខ្លួនឯង
You go to a long way yourself.
You can go to a long way for shooting by Pol Pot.
Thank you, sir. Hun Sen's unrelenting manoeuvres have again put him in the prime seat.